Good morning, children. I am Mrs. Savitri from DAV Public School, Butchraj Palam. I welcome all the 8th class students for the online classes for the new academic session. Today we are going to learn Unit 1, which is classified into Unit 1, which is a family, and classified into 3 lessons: the tattered blanket, the poem My Mother, and a letter to a friend. Before going into the lesson, The Tattered Blanket, look at the following images. You find the images of 2 families. Now, what are the differences you observe from both the images? Attempt these questions. What are these 2 types of families called? Which type of family do you like the most and why? And what is missing in the first image as compared to the second image? Now, here we find 2 families, that is, a small family and a large family. Family 1 consists of only the parents and the children, and family 2 consists of the grandparents, uncles, aunts, and children. So, which type of family you like the most? What are the advantages in a nuclear family, and what are the advantages in a joint family, and what are the disadvantages in both the families? You have to decide which family you like the most. So you compare yourself according to your families and then write down your views. Now, as we all know that a family is a group of people that consisting of parents, children, which they live together as a unit. Usually we see 2 types of families in our society. They are nuclear family. A nuclear family is a father, mother, and the children live together as a unit. A joint family, many generations like father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, grandchildren, uncle and aunt live together happily. Now here is a story which is related to a family, which is written by Kamala Das. She was born on 1932 and died in 2009. She is the daughter of a famous Malayalam poet, and she is an internationally known poet, short story writer, and a novelist who writes effortlessly both in English and Malayalam. She bagged many awards for her literary works, and some of them are Asian Poetry Prize, Kent Award for English Writing from Asian countries, Asian Word Prize, Sahitya Akademi Award, and Vailar Ramavarma Sahitya Award. Now, this story, The Tattered Blanket, is also written by her, which brings out the diminishing family values in the society. The tattered blanket in itself shows about that there is an old mother, which is referred to an old mother. Now, let us look into the characters of the story. The characters in the story are the old mother, Kamala, a widow, who is the eldest daughter of the mother, and Gopi, who is the brother of Kamala and the son of the old mother. Now, Gopi, actually, he was a government officer who was living in Delhi. He got married to Vimla, who was the eldest daughter of a district collector, Nambiar. He had 4 children. And Gopi's old mother, she was living with the Kamala, her a widow, who was her eldest daughter. Because Gopi used to never take care of her, he and his family used to live in Delhi. Now, Gopi happened to just come to Thiruvananthapuram for a meeting, for an office meeting, and he thought that he would just go and have, on his way back to home to Delhi, he thought he would just go and look at his mother and his sister. So, even Kamala was very surprised by his mother's unexpected visit. And even her mother could not recognize Gopi. Though Gopi was trying to tell that he was his son, the mother couldn't recognize him at all. So then Kamala just told him that the mother had lost her memory, and she was not able to recognize anyone. and she used to ask only if her son had sent any letters to her and all that. Gopi told that he was very busy and he couldn't write any letters and send any letters. And Gopi tried to remind her everything, but her mother could not remember anything. Then Amma asks Gopi, thinking him that he was his son, he was somebody else. And then she tells him that her son lives in Delhi, and please remind him to ask him to send one blanket, as the old blanket which he had bought for her was torn. So then Gopi feels somewhat embarrassed over there, and Kamla tells him that because he never came and met her, he never took care all these days. So she almost forgot him. She still remembers, she cannot recognize anyone. So this is how the story goes on. And even Gopi also says that he doesn't have time and all that. Whereas a duty of a son is always to look after the mother, their relation, because he never has to go away. The mother has taken care and made him up so big, and now he doesn't have time to take care of her old mother. The story also tells us the value that we have to take care of our elders, our family members, and so on. And this tattered blanket also refers to the same thing. It refers to the old lady. And Gopi's thought is just like a mother is like a tattered blanket. He thinks in that way. So the author has named it as the tattered blanket. Now, in the next class, we shall see about the video of the story.